What will happen with websites in a couple of years, and you as an entrepreneur of a small business, why you need to take care of this and why you need to know this? Because you will not need a developer, you will not need an agency to build your website, and it's evolving and it's encouraging to see a new tools available. And on this video I will talk you about past and about future and how you can benefit from it. Look, in past you build websites, or maybe you not, but other entrepreneurs tried to build with HTML and CSS. This is programming languages, and to change something they needed to know these languages, or they needed a developer to do it. Right now we are in WordPress generation, let's call it WordPress year. Most of the websites in the world are on WordPress. If you will open 10 websites, 4 or 3 of them are built on WordPress. And most likely your website is also built on WordPress. This is a content management system, CMS, shortly, CMS. And this content management system allows you or agencies or people who are managing your website to don't go in development and in coding, but changing more easily. But of course it's some limitation and hard problems with this. Imagine when you install a Windows or if you install a Windows on your PC. It is a little hard. You need to install it, you need to configure, you need to try to install some drivers and so on. The same is with WordPress. You need to install on the hosting. Hosting need to be good and reliable. I'll link a recommendation what we use for hosting if you'll need. You will need an expert who will install the WordPress. You will need a template, you will need some configuration, and all this together you will get a website, because after website is done, you'll need a maintenance, you need updates, security. If you'll get some problems, you need some guys who will help you. If you need some help with this. And right now we are in transitioning mode to a more simple way to make websites. And a more simple way is cloud CMS. The same CMS, content management system, as WordPress, but in cloud. And there's a couple of options right now in the market. WordPress, even WordPress.com, they have WordPress.org. It's for this more advanced kind of stuff. And the WordPress.com is their cloud option, very limited, and I don't recommend it. Also, we have Wix, we have Squarespace, and of course we have new tools, more better one than this, what I mentioned, like Breezy. They are in current developing stage. So, as I said, all these platforms are in transition and they are also limited, and some of them are expensive. But Breezy is new way to build websites, cheaper, faster, and they'll take care, as most of the cloud CMS take care about security updates and all complicated stuff. We are building already some simple websites for entrepreneurs on Breezy Cloud. If you want to try them, a link in the description. They have a free version of using, and will offer you so much for this free version. So you'll not have any ads, any mention about Breezy and your free option. Even you can connect your own domain. So when user will go to your website, they will not know this is Breezy, this is free option, or this is $1,000 website. So it's very amazing deal. If you will decide to buy from them, they have more designs, more benefits, and it's very cheap. And if you decide to buy, you can use our link in the description, and you will buy us a coffee. They'll give us a small commission for the recommendation. And what is beautiful about this CMS? You will not need a developer, you will not need agency to do it. And actually, why you should pay for agencies? To make some ads, and even in future ads will be simple to make. But what you need to pay is for expertise. They'll have some expertise. For example, what information to have on website. You don't need just a beautiful website. We made a video about what the website should contain, what should be on the website, and we also have a checklist. We will link the checklist also in the description, and on this checklist you can download for free on our website, and you can go and see, okay, I need this information, this, and so on. And you can have a professional website even by your own, and you don't need an agency. But also agency will help you if it's a very professional one to go with very small details. Maybe you'll not notice this one, and make it even more efficient one. And let's come back to a CMS. If you go to a developer, a funny story, developers are trying more complicated way to make a website. They're trying to integrate in this and all this crazy stuff, and developers are making even worse for you. What I mean, you are depending on them. If you want to change something, if you want to adapt something, you are depending on them. But of course you need them if you need some custom, you need something what this cloud CMS don't have, or the basics of WordPress don't have, and then you need these kind of guys to implement. But on first stage, make a very simple website in cloud, and after you can try and think critically what option you can have also on your website. I hope this video was useful to show you the past, current and future, and you will make a beautiful website for your business. And I want to encourage you to try by yourself, because it's easy and you will enjoy, especially if you'll try with Breezy. I am enjoying. I want to build these kind of websites. Even we recommend it to our clients, and they also try it and they enjoy it. So I think you will enjoy it too. Give us a thumbs up for the video if it was useful for you, and see you in the next video.